Hello guys, I know you're expecting the tutorial with the car and the snow, and don't worry, it's coming very soon. But I had to do this video first because it's official now. You can get all the Quixel Megascans assets for free. Yes, you heard it correctly. And not only that, you can now officially use them in Blender or any 3D software. But this offer is limited in time. That's why I had to do this video now, so you don't miss this opportunity. Okay, what's happening exactly? Well, Epic Games has decided to move all its assets to a new marketplace called fab.com. So all the content from the Unreal Marketplace, Sketchfab, ArtStation, and Quixel Megascans will move to Fab. And until the end of 2024, all Megascans assets are free for everyone, for all engines and tools. And the beauty is you only need one click to claim them all. So to get everything with just one click, you go on fab.com, and just here you have this beautiful button, Claim Now. You sign in with your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account, just create one, it's free. But if you play Fortnite, you should have one already. Then you will have this claim button to grab it all. Now you can go on this Quixel profile, and when you click on an asset, boom, you will get this message that confirms that you own this item. And you can press download to use it in your projects. Now let me show you a trick that you will need for the upcoming tutorial. Actually, when you look at the assets from Quixel, you won't see much. Epic Games say that they are working on it. For example, many environments are missing compared to the original collection. I think they are there somewhere, but it's impossible to find them manually without knowing their names. So a workaround for that is you go on quixel.com, you click here on Megascans, and you will retrieve all the assets that we used to have before Fab. For example, I did use for my last video this environment. So you click on environment, natural, and you will get this Arctic ice and snow. You click on it. Let's check an item that I don't have. For example, this material. You click on it, get it on Fab, and boom, you can download the item here. It also shows that you already own this item. It's because we claimed everything before, like little piggies we are. Alright, so now you have everything ready to follow my upcoming tutorial. Please allow me a few seconds for this little shout out. The Ride is my Blender car animation course created for beginners and intermediate users who want to get into car animation. Now you get 85 videos and 13 hours of training. And of course, everything is included. The cars, the assets, the add-ons, everything you need to follow along. You will also get my personal help on a private channel on Discord in case you're stuck or you need advice. Thanks for watching. I talk to you soon. Bye bye.